This is the Sema Datsun Mercedes V8 gull-wing doored, Liberty Walk kitted Nissan 370 back end 260Z.
This video is sponsored by Revopoint.
Right, so in the last videos for the Sema Datsun, we finished off making this cradle. Now, it did take us a while, all the measurements, all done by hand. What we don't want to do is we don't want to do this all again if we have another car to do. So what we need to do is make this so we can reproduce it and get all the measurements without starting again. And how we're going to do that is we're going to scan it and we're going to save that for later. We may even use it on our own Datsun that we've got. So what we're going to use for this is the Revopoint MetroY Ultra.
Now this thing is seriously impressive. We're talking up to 0.015mm accuracy. That's not consumer grade, that's industrial metrology territory. It scans up to 90 frames per second, catches up to 3 million points per second, and it has 5 different scanning modes so it can handle flat surfaces, deep holes, shiny metal, whatever you throw at it. It works wirelessly via Wi-Fi 6, so no cables getting in the way in the workshop. And the software, Revo Metro, Revo Design and Revo Measure, takes you all the way from raw scan to CAD ready model. For reverse engineering a bespoke chassis like this, it's exactly what you need.
Let's get the frame off the cradle and onto the bench.
Now, as this was a custom one-off bespoke frame, specifically for a Datsun 260, I wanted to make sure I had a proper scan of it. And this was going to do the job. Now the first thing to do was calibrate this, so we used the calibrating board and the calibrating balls to make sure the accuracy was absolutely spot on. There's nothing complicated about connecting it either, it's just one plug into the scanner itself, one to the USB-C port and one to the power. Calibrating is really easy as well, because you just follow the instructions on the screen. You scan the barcode and move the scanner to exactly where it tells you to. And once calibrated, you can check the accuracy with the ball plate. Again, it tells you exactly what to do on the screen, so no confusion. And as you can see, this one matches up absolutely spot on. And then it's on with the markers. Now you can purchase these off of Revopoint, or you can 3D print them yourself. I always overdo it with the markers because I want to make sure it comes out right first time.
Now that's it, kind of over markered, but if you want to get hold of some of these markers, there's two ways you can do it. Revopoint actually sell a marker kit, or like me, I 3D printed some out, stuck the stickers on, popped a magnet in the bottom. They're all over the 3D printing community. So the next thing to do is just click the start button on the screen or on the actual device itself, start scanning.
Now when you end up scanning the bench, don't worry about it, all that can be trimmed out later.
And it's as simple as that. And because we've scanned both sides of this frame, we can actually replicate this by using Revo measure, because we can get every single diameter, every single length of bar, and every single angle that we want to make this again without doing it from scratch. It's no secret that Revopoint are my scanners of choice, but they also sponsor the channel, so I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to know more about the Revopoint MetroY Ultra.
Now that I've scanned both sides, I can clean up both of those scans in the software and then merge them into one. Now there's two ways you can actually clean up the scan completely. You can either use the scanning software Revo Metro, or you can actually use Revo Design, that's much more powerful and made for reverse engineering. Here I'm still using the Revo Metro scanning software to clean this up, but later on I'll finish it off in Revo Design. And now we're going to merge the two separate meshes. You can either do it automatically. If that doesn't work, all you have to do is choose some common points and let it do its stuff. Then you turn it into one mesh and the magic's done. Now, as mentioned before, Revo Measure can plot all the points, so this can be reproduced accurately at a later date. And when used with Revo Design for reverse engineering, this makes up a really powerful package.
Well, that's it for this video, guys. As you can see, the Revopoint MetroY Ultra made the job really simple, and with Revo Measure we can make it by hand to exact specifications again next time, or we can reverse engineer it with Revo Design. If you've enjoyed the video, leave us a like and don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and we will see you in the next one.
And don't forget to visit the link in the description for more information about the Revopoint MetroY Ultra.